Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to unhide any apps on your iPhone. So first of all, you just need to swipe left until you see the app library on your iPhone. After that, click on hidden and you will see all your hidden apps over here. If you want to unhide your apps permanently, you just need to hold the apps which you want to unhide, and after that click on don't require Face ID, and after that it will unhide permanently. Another option is simply go to your app store. After that you just need to search that hidden apps which you want to open, and after that you can easily open that hidden apps on your iPhone. So I hope this tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.